When is a CT scan necessary for cough? Not every cough requires a CT scan. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jitesh Rajpuri from SSO Hospital. If a cough persists beyond 3 weeks, especially in individuals above 40 years, smokers, or those who have weight loss or blood in sputum, imaging becomes important. A chest X-ray is often the first step. If the findings are unclear or suspicious, CT scan provides detailed information. CT allows us to detect small lesions not visible on the X-ray. The decision is based on the risk factors and the persistence of symptoms. Do not overuse imaging, but do not delay it when it's indicated.